So, hello everybody on a very wet Sunday. So the story is so far on this bike, White Ghost, is first of all a note to self: do not ever put any decals on your bike until it's finished. Why? Okay, my lovely front mudguard had to be redone, so the decal had to go away. A good thing is I got a spare one, so he's all right, but he was going to be used for something else, and now he's gonna have to go in there. It was bad to my taste. It was a few things in there I didn't like and all around, so it had to be all sanded down, and he's right now to have a little bit of primer and then finish it. The front wheel, it needs to be resprayed, so it's already sanded and it's already ready to go. The front discs, the interior, the inner part of the discs were sprayed in black and the coat of lacquer, and they are ready to go. Now, the side panels, I decided to make a little black circle around the dimples, and it didn't go quite well because of the tape. However, I was looking at it and I decided I'm gonna give it a look like bullet holes, something like that, so a little bit of these bits coming out of it, and that's the way it's going to be. And then the decal I got there with a little flame is going to go in there and there, so it's all good. So that is a learned lesson: do not put any decals until it's finished. The back tail light assembly thing, it needs to just be sanded down with 2000 and then a little bit of lacquer, but pretty much that's what it is all about at the moment. Don't really want to do anything else regarding that, because I'm going to do all that in one go and finish it off after I finish a couple of things I need to do in there, but that's another story. So yeah, this is what's going on at the moment. I'm done with it. The rear fender is finished, needs lacquer, and pretty much that's the update of what's going on at the moment. The moment I thought about going out with Renegade and get some primer and some more white paint, it started pouring down like the heavens just opened up. So that was a sign that I should go home, I should have a shower and relax for the rest of the Sunday. I've already cleaned, and the car inside is always needed to be cleaned. So you all stay safe, enjoy your Sunday, and don't do anything I wouldn't do myself. Keep well. Bye bye.